Well, what she has said is correct. We have something called value, face value. Face value of a note is printed on the note. Okay, this is a note. The face value. How do we identify from the face what is printed? So from that we identify that it's a 500 note, 500. So this is called face value of the note. So this note can be given for 500 worth or lesser than 500 worth or for more than 500 worth.
ये रिकॉर्ड हो रही है
Whatever it may be.
देखो
So like that, for bonds we issue a certificate. Debentures we issue a certificate. Okay. Shares we issue a certificate. Having that it's 100 rupee value.
अरे तुम लाइन को घुमाओ भाई
So on the face of this, on the face of the certificate, we have the value 500 in words and in figures. So this is called face value. However, when I am giving this share to you, because it is very precious, it is very good asset, it is earning huge returns, I will not give you for just 100 rupees. I will charge an extra amount because it is earning more. Like 1 acre of land, 50 lakhs. No. We have the land value increasing to sell for 70 lakhs. Why 20 lakhs extra premium? Because it has more value, market value, production value.
पूरों के लिए
So like that share also have more value in the market, then I will charge extra. That is called premium. I'll charge 120 rupees and hand over only 100 rupee certificate of share or 100 rupee debenture or 100 rupee preference share. Okay. So this is called premium. Company itself charges you. Company says, I am issuing only 100 rupee share. I will give you 100 rupee share certificate. Take it up and give me 120 rupees. Will you give it?
No.
Because it's a very good company and it is having a higher potential of revenues than everything. You have to think why we have to give premium. Why the company issued the certificate at a discount. Generally, when issued at face value, when I am giving you share certificate, take, and you are giving me 100, I am taking 100. That is called issued at par.
Par.
Issued at equal to the face value printed on the certificate. Clear? Remember, I'll ask you in the examination. Okay. At premium, if the company is very blue chip company, performing very well, the profits are heavy, that the shareholders will get the share of the profit. You may get a profit of 200, 300, 400, 600 in future, 2 years, 3 years later. It's a very good asset. So 100 rupee share, the company wants to bank on its goodwill or name, issued at 120 rupees. So 120 you have to pay. So this 20 rupees is called a
Premium.
Premium or premium. At the same time, if I am issuing my own company shares, I floated a company called Vijay Kumar and Company or Vijay Kumar Limited. Will you buy 100 rupee share for 200 or 120? Okay, 100 rupee share for 100. You won't buy what company it is. You just started now. Where you will do, what you will do business, you never proved yourself. So my money may be lost in your business. I don't want to invest in such a risky business or a new business. You are a novice. You're just starting now. When I'll get the profit, when you will get the break even, you may lose completely my money. So in order to attract investors to fund my capital and say, see 100 rupee share, I'm issuing at a 15% discount. So this attraction, this is an attraction for the investor to invest. I'm charging only 85 rupees. So this 15 rupees is called discount.